Hi, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel today. And we're doing something very easy that you can do at home in your own kitchen, up in the mountains at hunting camp. That's where we normally do this, but we're not up there right now. It is very easy. It is pork spare ribs, and I'll be showing you exactly what all we're going to be doing with them. And you can either do the boneless ones or you can do the ones with the bone in. We love to do the ones that are the bone in. And this was one of those big long racks of them, and I cut them into 4 pieces. And I've got them in my dish here that I'm going to be putting some different ingredients on. And just stay with us and we'll be showing you what we're going to be doing here. Okay, what I'm doing is I have a couple packages of dry Lipton onion soup mix that I've got here, and I'm just going to generously sprinkle these on both sides, and you kind of rub that in. Like I said, this is very, very easy and very, very good. A dear friend of mine gave me this recipe. He's used it up at hunting camp for years. And it is good. Of course, everything always tastes more fabulous when you're out hunting and up in the mountains. I don't know why. Maybe it just is being outside in the great outdoors. We always have an appetite that's unbelievable. This is something, if you love onions, oh my goodness. So many things you can do with Lipton onion soup mix. It's been around forever. Okay, I'm not going to use all of that. I'll use that and save it for something else. Now what I'm going to do is, we love to use Head Country barbecue sauce. And if you go to our website, it's wyomingdutchovencooking.com. This is one of those wonderful barbecue sauces that we have on there that you can order. Now I'm just going to generously put a good amount of this on here. And this one is just a hickory one today, but if you go onto that website, there's several different kinds. And now my next thing is what I'm going to do is put some onions. Boy, you know, you got to like onions with this casserole dish that I'm doing. My husband's over there smiling. He loves onions. And these are potent onions, I'll tell you. So if I look like I've been crying, I probably have been crying because of these onions. And then we're going to bake this in the oven at 300, low and slow. It's what we believe with these ribs. You want fall off the bone. And as you can see, I'm doing a generous amount here. And we'll sprinkle some more of these wonderful onions. And I slice these thin. Okay, and then we're going to put the lid on this and bake it in the oven like I told you. This is one of these wonderful cast iron enamel Dutch ovens that we absolutely love. That's something else that you can purchase on that website. We sure hope you're enjoying this with us today. Of course, we'd love it if you would subscribe and hit that like button and leave a comment. We love comments. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven and bake it, and we'll be with you after a bit when it gets all done. Well, our wonderful ribs got done, and we cooked these for 2 hours at 300 degrees, and they are fall off the bone. And you know, when these were cooking, what I did is, this morning we harvested some wonderful fresh veggies from our garden. We have some new little potatoes, carrots, and green beans. So I made a vegetable packet. The potatoes are here, the green beans and the carrots are here. And this is what we do up in the mountains. We make the little vegetable packets, wrap them up, and you've got to use heavy-duty aluminum foil. Otherwise, they fall apart. And then we kind of put it down on the coals, So those are cooking along with whatever meat you have going on, and it just goes together really well. Pairs very nicely. Of course, what pairs very nicely is we have a glass of wonderful white Riesling that we'll have a little glass of wine to go with our dinner tonight, and it is complete. See how easy this is? You can either do it outside, in your kitchen, whatever is convenient for you, but this is a wonderful, wonderful meal. I'm so glad that you joined us today. Just remember that down in the description below is the recipe in case I've missed anything, so you can go down there and check that out. And of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Until we meet again, thank you.